He knows he can block it when he goes to the rim, but he swaps and gets called for a foul, right? This is again a silly foul. Why why are you swiping at the ball, right, at this moment when you know you can block it when he goes to the rim? Why is two things? So Middleton basically hits both his free throws. Now this is a 14-point lead, right? So now again Steph sets a cross screen for Wiggins. This is again to get a switch, right? But no switch happened, so no advantage gained basically. So here, right, again you see Steph sets the screen and he tries to run off some screens of his own, but nobody screens for him basically, and Wiggins cannot create on his own, right? He's not that good of a shot creator, so he basically loses the ball. But again, you see, he pokes the ball away from DiVincenzo. Again, trying to play good defense, and Wiseman dives down, gets the ball, and Oubre right here, right? He just gets the open three and misses it. Holiday in transition, right? So you see here, Holiday like tells Giannis, go ahead. So he sees the open space, right? Because Oubre is not picking up Giannis and Wiseman is also looking at Holiday. And so nobody basically picks up Giannis. So he goes in the crack in the open space and gets a dunk. Immediately Kerr calls a timeout. So now it's a 16-point lead. So we go to the next possession basically. So next possession, Kerr calls for a pick and roll with Stephen Wiseman. Like you see again, right? Both players stay with both the Holiday and Portis are on staff, right? Wiseman is open and Middleton is in the paint just to help, right, for Wiseman. And Wiggins right here, right, should cut. So this way they can get a dunk, right? So let's say if uh, Draymond was here, right, in place of Wiseman, right, he would be like if Draymond was here in place of Wiseman, he will be going to the rim, right, and Wiseman will be in the dunker spot, right? So it will be a dunk instead of like Steph hitting a contested 2 over 2 defenders. Okay, next defensive play. So again, Chris Middleton brings up the ball, tries to attack Wiggins, gets no advantage. Good defense by Wiggins. He points to like Holiday to get the ball, right? Holiday basically does a pick and roll, gives no advantage, and Portis just chucks up a three. Steph gets the rebound, like isolates on Holiday, right? And gets two. Here he can like pass it to Wiseman as well, right? Wiseman is also open if he wants, but he goes up for the two and gets two. Now on defense, Warriors. Wise Giannis brings up the ball. So again, Pascal shouldn't should be sagging way off, right? He should be in the paint, right? If he wants Giannis to give a Giannis to shoot a three, but he's giving him enough space to drive, right? So right here, right, Wiseman should come in the gap, right? They have to give lot of gap help like the Raptors do, just to stop Giannis's driving lane. But he comes in late basically. Now Giannis is in move and now he's tried to block it and gets called for a foul. Giannis like makes one free throw, misses the next one, and now he gets the rebound, right? Basically, they took out Wiseman, right, for this position, and they put in Looney and Mulder, so now they don't have enough size to get the rebound. And basically, with the one change Budenholzer made was to get rid of Holiday. Now, Like again, Giannis isolates on Pascal. Like Mulder, you see here, Mulder tries to give gap help here, right? And Giannis stops his move and again attacks, right? Looney comes in for the help right here, almost blocks Giannis, but Giannis passes out, but Pascal gets in the passing lane and gets the ball. Here again, right? Look, Steph is asking for the ball, right? He just hit two shots back to back, and he's looking for the ball. But Pascal doesn't pass to him, right? He just passes to Mulder, right? Who just this is considerably open, but still, if you give the ball to Steph, right, it is better than to give to any other guys on the Warriors. So he chucks up a three and like airballs it, right? Directly falls into Middleton's hand, right? They try to poke it away but couldn't. Middleton attacks in transition, chucks up a shot, misses badly. Now ball in Steph's hand. You see he tries to look, he can pull up from here, right? But Giannis is on him and DiVincenzo is following him basically. So now true players are on him, right? He dribbles, tries to get out of the way. Now you see DiVincenzo, Pat Connaughton all on him, right? And Giannis ready to help if he drives in the gap. So he passes us out, and right now he's looking for his relocation three, right? He runs to the corner, like Mulder even screens for him, but Ubre instead of like seeing this tries to drive. Even if he can drive right in the paint, you see Yanis is waiting just to help, right? And he will be leaving Looney, who is not that good of a 3 point shooter. So this is not the position to drive. This is a position for a step relocation three. But he doesn't even see it, and Middleton just pokes the ball away from him, right? And again he's late in transition to help. Mulder also like in this situation, right? He should go to the shooter, but he's just following. You see, after Middleton pokes the ball away, Portis, like right here, Mulder should even going to Middleton right now, but he's little bit late, and Middleton hits the three. So now it's a 16 point lead. Again, right here. Why is the ball not in Steph's hand already, right? DiVincenzo is guiding him. Again, he tries to like screen for Pascal and gets a Pascal gets a step and gets two and one. Hits the free throw. We go to the next defensive position. Pascal is guarding Giannis here. Oubre is playing some defense on Middleton. Gets rid of the ball. Giannis is isolating on Pascal one-on-one in the post. Goes for the up and under move. Misses the shot but gets his own rebound and gets two. Right. Now again, Steph has to pass to Pascal here because Holiday is guarding him full court, right? Again, instead of setting a screen in transition, right? Pascal just demands the ball, right? Here in transition, he attacks Yanis, right? No advantage is gained. Again, Steph is running around, right? Here, set a screen for Steph, right? Do something, right? Pascal just looks at the ball, right? Instead of setting a screen, and Uber just chucks up a three, misses badly. Again in transition, right? You see, Pascal just loses Middleton. Middleton just goes to the corner and hits the three over Pascal. Next offensive trip. Again, Steph has the ball. So Looney right here, right? Steph is half court, right? Sets the screen for Steph. Portis, he's above the 3 point line, right? Basically, and when Steph comes off the screen. He's at Steph's. He's at the level of the screen, right? Basically, to not let Steph pull a three here, right? Both of the defenders go with Steph, and Looney is open again here, right? He should rescreen, or Looney should rescreen, right? And Steph should go to that to rescreen basically, but Steph doesn't. And again, two players are on Steph. Steph tries to go up. Again, he's going to this here, right? So Oubre should screen from him, or Pascal should screen from him, but they both are looking at the ball, right? Instead of like trying to set a screen for Steph. This is how you know they are not like adapt to playing with Steph yet. Hmm. Looney and Mulder try a two-man game. Like Pascal just chucks up a three over Giannis, right? Misses in transition. Middleton just goes to the paint, right? Here Looney has to go with Middleton as well to stop the layup attempt, even though Pascal was in the position to help. Here you see Mulder is guarding Pat Connaughton. He should he should help here, right? Just to stop the three pointer. But considering that Portis is not that good of a 3 point shooter, he instead stays with Connaughton, and Portis pull a three, and now they are up by 20 points basically, and game is ended. So as you can see, basically some very big defensive mistakes by the Warriors, and some bad offensive execution. That's why the Warriors lost.